motherfucker got me out here in a damn. What is this? A tow yard? What is this? What's this called? Picket Park. Oh shit. Well, I'm in the tow yard with her Crocs on. That all of them like that. Your camera blurry? I can't see.
I need to be clean.
Whole time you should be seeing nothing but blurry shit. Oh my god.
What that paper?
What paper?
That I gave you.
In my pocket.
Let me see it.
I don't know which one you need though, but
I think I need to go to a different, the car that matches mine the most, because this shit, the alternator different.
oh, this shit off wrong. So which one of these dogs we can take the boat out this door?
I don't know if it'll fit mine. That's why I said I need to find the car that's most like mine.
What year is this though? Do it matter like what year? This is 2017.
Yeah, this is, yeah. Well, that's what I'm trying. Because the alternator different on this one. So I need...
It's been alright.
I know you fucking lying. See, hold on, now for real.
It's been alright.
Oh, 53, what the fuck?
53 what? Wrong?
Yes.
That's all the way back down the back. You just had to have this type of car.
I got what a nigga paid for. See, that's what they won't tell you. Okay.
So I just moved this tire for no reason?
Yeah, we did.
So I gotta find another
So
tire.
we gotta hurry up because we about to rain.
Shit, I'm running. I'm give a damn.
We fucked up.
I can get in here? Oh, that's not the car. Oh, look at them airbags. Oh, I'm gonna hop in this motherfucker. Let's see what the inside look like. Oh, there's shit in the way. The seats so close. What them bolts that you need? You don't think one of them got one? This for a fucking bigger purpose. Not no fucking. And it's two of us.
The runner and to do something there.
Listen. Do you want help this one time or not?
Yes.
Okay then. Ooh, boy. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I know these hoes did not just leave me. My ass to be trying to get the damn car. She done left my ass. Get her ass, because she done fucking left me over there into or she going to or nothing. She just fucking left. What year this is? 2014?
Yeah, so actually, yeah, go look at the door.
Let's hope the phones don't fall. Oh wait, I found a boat. This not gonna do it. I need something else. I feel like I could use it, but it'd be like a little smaller.
These the only two options I got. It's a man on this side. He got a whole bunch of tools stuff.
Man, on what side? Nigga, you just come out here just to see you. Like,
This nigga ain't got no tools. Shut up.
he had a whole bag when he was behind us.
Oh.
I don't know where the fuck his shit went. Yeah, I got it.
You did?
He over there. But these tools hot as fuck.
I'm pretty sure it is. He been out here for a week.
Man, this shit motherfucking. I'm gonna drop this shit. He said, "What's going to use with it?" I said, "I don't know." He said, "Oh yeah, just." I said, "Okay."
He said that's a big one.
He said he don't have like years. He has like a 45 or 40.
Try it on this side. Too big.
Did I use this car here?
I don't know. It's a valid. It's a ship. That's a ship. It's a cruise though.
They got some boats on it.
Yeah, I can see. I don't know.
What the other car was that? Where you left it at?
On 53. I ain't. That ain't how it happened. Like, you asking?
I'm asking the person in the car.
I don't know.
That just came in.
The first one we went to. Back home.
Fuck you.
It needs some strength to move that motherfucker.
This? We just trying to get. I don't even know what an alternator look like.
Huh?
I said, I don't even know what an alternator look like. What you trying to get?
My wrench on it. So that's what I'm getting. It's on that bottom part.
You put it in nothing. What?
That's the problem right there. What is that?
No.
The Alternator. See, the Alternator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out.
It's already on the piece that I need to move.
So you want me to push it?
That way.
Yeah, I see that, but I just asked if you want me to push it.
Like, just put some strength.
Oh shit. What fuck? I don't even know where to go back on.
Huh?
I don't even know where to go. Huh? Okay, I got it.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
I didn't think I'm on the right part.
Ooh.
You smell is that all the way down to the bottom?
So you already got it out, right?
I just one screw left. The alternator?
One?
Yeah.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
That one you can't take it from up. You have to go under.
You gotta go under.
You have to get something to slip under. Go under. This Malibu, right?
Yeah.
You have to go under. Most of the time I go under to do that.
You know, he'll start talking to
Yeah. It's one, but you need something to lay from under. You take this tire. Let me see if you can have that in my
What is it?
Thank you.
You said the bottom one. Or you just. But yours is like, yours is looser though. Yours is newer. No?
Okay, thank you.
I don't know what For real? Oh, here. Get this.
You gotta take the top off and hold it.
So what the hell? I can't maneuver this shit out of here.
You gotta take the top off the motor.
I don't want to. I don't know why he just said it like that.
Yeah, so he already did want help. Thank you. I appreciate you.
It can ring. I don't care what the hell I just dropped.
I mean, this now. Okay, thank you. What the dude you were talking to it?
All the way over there.
See if he got the same one.
That same size?
Yeah.
That's a 25. He got a 25.
Now my cousin a mechanic too, y'all. Don't tell him I ain't teach him nothing.
You did it.
What this goddamn shower gonna hit so fucking good? What the fuck?
I need a nap after this shit.
What the fuck? Like this shit crazy. Yeah, this shit script.
You could just pull it up a little bit.
The screw script.
You gonna fuck with this part? You want that? And
Fuck is hot as hell.
what it gotta be? You think we can't push this shit down the bottom?
I'm trying to I'm trying to see if I can get it to come out because I got it halfway up. So maybe we remove it a different way.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I tried to do the first time. No, you can't do that. No, you can't do
it
that.
come out
No,
easier if it's
no,
not right there.
Wait, you see, we can't get it.
Go ahead and see if it'll come out.
I'm gonna just pull this bitch out.
There we go. Turn it a little bit because I think that screw gets stuck. We're heading up to the screw.
There you go.
That's good.
Satan that probably screaming and shit.
Okay, pull it, yeah. It's heavy.
No.
You guys, that's how you steal a alternator from scrappy work. Thank y'all for watching my TED Talk.
You made it, girl, you made it, oh no.